Oh my god!
Oh, someone is coming. What happened? How can I help you? Any problem?
We need your help. Please come with us. Don't worry, bro. We will help you. Let's go. Let's go.
We need to move now.
Amazing!
Spider-Man, I think you can help this guy.
What? He is too heavy. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on, buddy. Yes. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. You can. You can do it. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, buddy, you got it.
Thank you so much, Spider-Man.
Come on, buddy, let's go.
Let's go.